All right, everyone, welcome to today's exciting episode. We're exploring the intriguing world of dining at restaurants, from making wise suggestions to knowing when to be wary about food safety. You won't believe this, but there was a time I thought I could eat anything without consequence. I was literally saying, bring it on, until one unforgettable trip to a street vendor in Thailand changed my mind. One bite of what I thought was a delicious mystery meat, and suddenly food poisoning came knocking on my door like an old friend. Have you ever had a moment like that?
Oh wow, haha, that escalated quickly. So let me get this straight. You had this wild street food adventure, but it turned into a total nightmare? How did you figure out it was food poisoning? Did you have a bunch of symptoms hitting you all at once?
Fantastic question. It was like my stomach was throwing a dramatic performance. One moment I'm enjoying my meal, and the next I'm on a roller coaster I never wanted to ride. Heavy fatigue, waves of nausea. It felt like my body was staging a protest against fun. But on a brighter note, this scary experience really opened my eyes to the importance of food safety. You're familiar with food poisoning, right?
Right. So it's when bad food, like food, goes rogue and makes you feel atrocious, right? But, how do you know when it's okay to eat something? Like, take avocados, for example. One day they're perfect, the next they're all brown and mushy. Does that mean they've gone bad?
Exactly. It really comes down to using your judgment. If you pick up an avocado that looks like it's been through some kind of culinary war, trust your instincts. If it's brown, it might just be aging. But if a dish has a funky smell or seems off in any way, it's definitely better to be safe than sorry. Just like that time I ordered a chicken salad, and let's say the chicken looked less than fresh. Yikes!
Haha, oh man. That sounds sketchy. Are there any tricks you use to ensure you don't end up sick again when dining out? Like, do you ever ask about how the food is prepared?
Absolutely. I'm a firm believer in asking questions. For example, asking how they prepare their dishes or where they source their ingredients really sheds light on their food standards. And of course, trust your gut, pun fully intended. If you ever get a bad vibe from a place, it's perfectly okay to just walk out.
Oh wow, so you're saying if the restaurant feels off, just jet out? That makes so much sense. Actually, I was at a taco place last week, and they had these weird stains on the tables. Whoa, talk about connecting the dots. Maybe that's a sign to avoid.
Right on. If the ambiance feels unwelcoming, or if you notice signs of poor hygiene, those are definitely red flags. Remember, eating out should be an enjoyable experience, and your health comes first.
Definitely. Switching gears a bit. When it comes to suggesting restaurants to friends, how do you usually do that?
Ah, great transition. When I recommend a place, I tend to say things like, "You must check out this amazing bistro I visited last week." It's all about creating excitement around that culinary adventure.
Right. You mentioned bistro. What's the main difference between a bistro and, like, a diner? Besides the vibe, I mean.
Fantastic question. A bistro is typically more cozy and has a curated menu that focuses on quality, while diners serve all kinds of comfort food without all the frills. Think greasy fries and big breakfasts. Both have their own unique charm.
Super interesting. And to wrap this up, have you ever recommended a dish that totally backfired? Like, did someone try it and then end up getting food poisoning again?
Oh, absolutely. There was that time I raved about this amazing local sushi spot to a friend. She was beyond excited. Until later that night when she texted me saying she was feeling awful. Turns out, they had a moment where freshness wasn't exactly on their menu. I felt so guilty. It's like I cursed my own recommendation.
Wow, talk about pressure. I really hope our listeners can stay safe, but also get adventurous with their dining decisions.
Absolutely! Let's inspire everyone to embrace the culinary experience and share their own stories with us. Thanks for being here, everyone.
And don't forget to check out our website for more delicious discussions. We can't wait for you to join us again.